you or someone you care about suffered life-threatening internal bleeding or hemorrhaging side effects while taking Pradaxa? Hello, I'm David Henson, Managing Partner with HensonFuerst Attorneys. If you or someone you know has taken Pradaxa, there are some serious facts you need to know. People with a heart condition called non-valvular atrial fibrillation, or AFib, have irregular heartbeats and palpitations, which increases a person's risk of ischemic stroke, the kind caused by a blockage in the blood vessels of the brain. To combat that risk, people with AFib are often prescribed blood thinners. One such medication, the prescription drug Pradaxa, has turned out to be a dangerous option. Pradaxa, also known by its generic name of dabigatran, is in a class of drugs called direct thrombin inhibitors, which reduce the blood's ability to clot. Patients who switched to Pradaxa from older anticoagulant drugs such as warfarin responded to the strong marketing push that claimed that Pradaxa is more convenient because it doesn't require monthly blood tests. As a result, more than 1 million Pradaxa prescriptions were dispensed in the United States between October 2010 and August 2011. However, the FDA is currently investigating an unusually large number of cases of serious bleeding in people taking Pradaxa compared with other blood thinners. The drug's manufacturer has reported that 260 people died as a result of bleeding events between March 2008 and October 2011. And unfortunately, there are no known drugs that can counteract the effects of Pradaxa, so the bleeding is more difficult to stop. Patients need to know that taking Pradaxa comes with a higher risk of hemorrhagic stroke, the kind caused by excessive bleeding, as well as life-threatening internal bleeds from minor injuries. A fall with a head injury is particularly dangerous for people on Pradaxa because there is no way to control the bleeding on the brain once it starts. People at the highest risk for abnormal bleeding from Pradaxa include people who are 75 years or older, have existing kidney problems, have stomach bleeding or an ulcer, or are taking other drugs that increase the risk of bleeding, including aspirin, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs, or other blood thinners. People who take Pradaxa should call their doctor immediately if they notice any of the following symptoms: coughing up blood or vomiting blood, frequent nosebleeds, heavy menstrual bleeding, pink or brown urine, extreme exhaustion, severe headaches, and red or black stools, which could be a sign of bleeding in the gastrointestinal tract. Even if you notice one or more of these symptoms, do not stop using the drug without first talking to your doctor, because this could increase your risk of having an ischemic stroke or heart attack. If you or a loved one has taken Pradaxa and suffered injury from severe bleeding resulting in hospitalization, or if a loved one died from cerebral hemorrhaging or other life-threatening bleeding event, you need the help of a Pradaxa drug injury lawyer. You may be entitled to compensation. Call HensonFuerst Attorneys at 1-800-4LAW-MED or visit our website at lawmed.com. We want to help.